Mold yourself. Hi guys, please press the subscribe button and bell icon on the YouTube app. And never miss another update from Mold Yourself.
5-day detox water fat burning challenge. Strawberry, kiwi detox water. 1 kiwi, peeled and sliced. 6 strawberries, lengthwise sliced. 4 to 6 blueberries sliced. Half pineapple, in small pieces. Cold water. Combine all ingredients in a pitcher. And enjoy. Day 2. Lemon lime cucumber detox water. Ingredients: 12 slices lemon, 2 limes, 16 slices cucumber, 4 cups water. Place lemon, lime and cucumber in a jar and pour the water over. Cover with a plastic wrap. Strain the water and enjoy. Day 3. Pineapple detox water with cucumber and lemon. Ingredients: half pineapple cut into chunks, half cucumber peeled and thinly sliced into rings, 2 lemon sliced, 1 liter water. Add the pineapple chunks, lemon and cucumber in a pitcher. Store pineapple, cucumber lemon water in your fridge for 24 hours. Day 4. Cucumber ginger lemon detox water. Ingredients: 2-inch piece ginger, thinly sliced, 1 lemon, thinly sliced, 1 large cucumber, thinly sliced, 8 cups water, about 2 liters. Combine all ingredients in a large pitcher and enjoy. Day 5. Apple lemon cinnamon detox water. Ingredients: 2 green apples sliced, juice from 1 lemon, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 liter of water. Bring 1 liter of water. Add lemon juice, sliced green apples and cinnamon sticks in it. Leave this to sleep overnight. The next day, drink and enjoy.
If you want the full recipe, see the description below.